So, good day everyone. Good day, ma'am. As we read the information and see the source of the case study, the viral pistachio chocolate craze. These were our answer from the question that is provided. So, in part A, understanding the demand. Question number 1. What caused the sudden increase in demand for pistachios? So, our answer, the sudden increase in demand for pistachios was caused by a viral chocolate trend that started with pistachio-filled chocolate bar from Dubai gaining massive attention on TikTok and other social media platforms. For question number 2, which curve shift demand or supply and in which direction? Our answer, the demand curve shift to the right, indicating an increase in demand. For question number 3, draw a simple graph showing the demand shift for pistachio due to the viral chocolate trend. So our answer would be, so the demand shift graph for pistachio. The x-axis represents the quantity of pistachios, while the y-axis represents the price of pistachios. So the D1 is the initial demand curve, while the D2 is the new demand curve after the viral trend. So this is shift to the right of D1. So lastly, the graph would show a shift of the demand curve to the right, indicating that at any given price, the quantity demands is higher due to the trend. Thank you.
Part B, understanding supply. Why can't pistachio supply immediately increase to meet pricing demand? Pistachio supply can immediately increase because pistachio are agricultural product unlike manufactured goods. Pistachio trees requires years to mature and harvesting can only be done during specific season. How do long production cycles of pistachio trees affect market response? The long production cycles of pistachio trees mean that the market response to increased demand is low. It takes several years to grow. New trees and harvest pistachio, which limit the ability to quickly increase supply.
So, part C, marketing qualiberium. So, question number 6. What happened to qualiberium price and quality to pistachios when demand rising sharply? So, when demand rises sharply, the qualiberium price and quantity of pistachio both increase. The price increases due to higher demand and the quantity increases, but is limited by the constraints on supply. So question number 7. If supply remains fixed in the short run, what problems arises in marketing? If supply remains fixed in the short run, a shortage arises in the marketing. This is because the quality demanded exceed the quality supply and original price leading to higher prices and potential rationing.
So in part D, critical thinking. In question 8, how might chocolate producers respond to the high pistachio prices? So the answer is, chocolate producers might respond to the high pistachio prices in the following ways. In 2 strategies. Substitute other nuts or ingredients. They could replace pistachios with more affordable nuts like almonds or walnuts, or use other flavorings to reduce the amount of pistachios needed. Increase the price of pistachio chocolate. They could pass the higher cost of pistachios on to the consumers by raising the price of their products.
Question number 9. If the demand for pistachio chocolate decreases after the trend fades, what will happen to the pistachio prices? Answer. If demand for pistachio chocolate decreases after the trend fades, pistachio prices will likely decrease. The demand curve will shift back to the left, leading to a new equilibrium with lower prices and quantities. And for the question number 10, can social media trends create long-term changes in markets or are they usually short-term? Answer. Social media trends can create short-term changes in markets, but their long-term impact is less certain. While trends can cause immediate spikes in demand and prices, they often fade quickly as consumers move on to the next viral product. However, if the trend leads to lasting changes in customer preferences or production practices, it could have a more sustained effect